Good morning to all of you. I am Shazia Sheikh and today I am going to explain my seminar topic, that is electromagnetic radiation. We can define electromagnetic radiation as radiation is a form of energy that is transmitted through space with velocity. Electromagnetic radiation is combination of electric and magnetic fields which are perpendicular to each other and also perpendicular to direction or propagation. Thus, electromagnetic radiation can be considered as a simple harmonic wave propagated in space. Is a straight line. Example: visible light or ultraviolet light. Now we are proceeding to third slide, that is characteristics of electromagnetic radiation. All the electromagnetic radiations have same speed in vacuum. They travel in vacuum with speed of light. Energy. Second point is energy can be transmitted by electromagnetic radiation. Third one is different type of electromagnetic radiation differ from one another in their wavelength. Next point is, since velocity of all electromagnetic radiation are same, the greater the frequency of radiation, smaller its wavelength. Fourth point is electromagnetic radiation characterized by nature of its wave, which are characterized by wavelength, wave number, frequency and time period, amplitude and velocity. The last one is they are associated with magnetic as well as electric. Next slide is about parameters of electromagnetic radiation. So first one is wavelength. The definition of wavelength is distance between two successive crests or trough in a electromagnetic wave is defined as wavelength. It is denoted by Greek letter lambda. Since electromagnetic radiation occur over range of wavelength, different units like nm, cm, mm are used in different region of electromagnetic spectrum. Earlier, angstrom unit was also used. Second one is frequency. The number of waves passing through given point in unit time is called as frequency of radiation. It is denoted by Greek letter nu v and has unit. It is generally expressed in cycles per second or in hertz. The next one is velocity. The distance traveled by wave in 1 second is called as velocity.